She's the best YouTuber.
She's very talented.
What, really?
Prajakta!
Oh my god! Prajakta basically wakes up every morning, goes through her notes of things that she found fascinating, and then writes scripts and uploads videos on the internet. And then goes back to sleep, wakes up the next morning again, and that's a circle of life. No, not even close. In fact, when I started off, I had no clue what to expect because I did not know which way this platform was going. I did not know what was going to happen. So all the love that I have right now, all the support was not even on the radar of my thoughts back then. मुझे तो ये भी नहीं पता था how is my work life going to be, how is my career going to turn out. I had no clue. I love Ashish. I love Be Unique, Bhuvan, Beer Biceps. I really enjoy Gaurav Taneja's content. Carrie. I also enjoy Sejal's content. I think, and I know she's not a YouTuber, but all the content that I watch of hers is on YouTube. So Ellen DeGeneres. Now there is, just to stay true to the title, but when I started off, that literally was the first title that came to my mind, and for some reason I did not want to call the channel Prajakta Kori. I have no logical reason for that. So all the characters that I do are obviously more exaggerated, although they are stemming from real life people that I meet and interact with every day. But I think for me, my personality is not very different from what it is on the channel. When I am on the channel as Prajakta, that's pretty close to who I am even off the channel. I think my greatest achievement, other than the fact that I get to live this life and entertain and get accepted by so many people on an everyday basis, I think it's what we did recently, is we actually shot a YouTube Originals docu-series with Michelle Obama, and I actually got to sit down and have tea with her, which was pretty kick-ass. It's been a roller coaster. It has been lots and lots of highs and even more lows that I've learned from. Lots of lessons. Everything was very, very new. Everything I have, for someone like me who's grown up having a concrete plan for her life, exactly mapping her life from dot to dot as to what I wanted to do, to now suddenly being in a place where I don't know what I'm going to do ahead, because the digital platform, you don't know where that's going, and I'm just taking each day as it comes. So it's a lot of, it's been a long journey as a creator, as a performer, as a person, I think, yeah. I think Michelle Obama, most inspiration, because it's one of those things, right? Like when you think about, oh, is there any person living or dead that you want to meet? So I used to always say Ellen DeGeneres, Anne Frank, and Michelle Obama. So now that I met her, I'm just like, oh my god. I mean, literally, like it's gonna be today or tomorrow when we hit 5 million, and like every time I refresh my app, I'm just like, no, I'm not ready for this. Just pause this, I'm not ready for this. It is mad. It's too many zeros, I can't even count. So if you want to become a creator, I feel like that gender filter needs to be taken off completely. There is nothing that you can or cannot do because you're a female YouTuber. And now that you are a content creator, content is king. I have tried everything else, doesn't work unless it's content. Oh wow. So 2019 was a mad year of, it was the year of work in progress. We did a couple of projects which are more inclined towards acting. They come out this year. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to talk about it. But they come out this year. We have a couple more projects planned which are a little out of my comfort zone, but again, trying to try new things. And if you ask me exactly what are my concrete plans, I will not know, because like I said, I'm taking every day as it comes. But yeah, not gonna stop putting YouTube videos though. that's gonna come up forever.